How to add yes or no in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, add your question of yes or no. After you add your question of yes or no, simply click on the cell you want to add yes/no answer to, which is another row. Simply select another row, then go to data. In data, you'll find a box with right arrow and block sign, which is above data tools. Simply click on it and then click on data validation. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In allow, write list. And then in source, simply select yes or no by clicking on arrow. Or simply click on yes or no and divide it by comma. Simply press on OK and you'll find arrow-like options, yes or no. If you try typing anything else except then yes or no, you will simply be blocked. And that's how to add yes or no in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.